What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Drop Lows here once again, and today I got a banging video about to come to y'all. I'm gonna show y'all a dirt bike I bought in a box at a yard sale for $75. No clickbait, $75. Stay tuned.
You ever seen a chopper do some damage? Niggas stepping, I ain't got a nationwide. Tell them you must be out of your mind.
Look, my man walking the scooter, goddamn. Look at him on the scooter.
Still the king.
Toting that bitch.
East side to the world, I'm in that wind.
Alright, y'all ready to see the bike? Cause I done built this mug myself. Y'all know I gotta keep a scooter on the side. I sold a little two-stroke, the 72cc. I done rebuilt this 150 right here. This motherfucker run. I just need to go ahead and give it a little valve tune to bring out the rest of the power, and it's already ready for the wheelies. I hit a couple on it yesterday. Y'all ain't really here for that scooter shit no more. Y'all wanna see what this dirt bike is that I done picked up. As I said, $75. Check this out. All right, y'all, here we go. 2002 RM, 85, $75. This bike came in 3 boxes and I bought it at a yard sale. So let me explain how I even got to the yard sale at first. It was out on like Mooresville area. I've been trying to find a fender for this Honda Del Sol. And the thing about these Del Sols is, yes, they're Hondas. Yes, Hondas are cheap, but the Del Sol is like a little unique Honda. So finding body parts for it, hard to come by. When I seen the little blue one he had, I had pulled up and I was gonna offer him. So I talked to the man's wife. She told me wait around a few minutes. She'd go inside, go grab him. She was also having a yard sale at the time. So as I'm kicking around the yard sale, I see the bike over in a bunch of boxes. It was like 3 different boxes. Forks was in one. The only thing that was outside of the boxes was the frame itself. Motor, everything else, all in boxes. So the man comes out, he tells me he's not parting his Del Sol like that. He's not gonna sell the pieces off of it. And so, yeah, buying that fender from him was a dud. That was the whole reason I even pulled over at the yard sale anyways. So I ended up going back. I looked at the dirt bike. I asked him, yo, what's that in the box? He honestly said he didn't know. He said it was a failed project of his son. So I was like, failed project? Don't nobody really fail on the 85 now. They don't just let those go. And so he told me the full story. He said basically he bought this bike for his son back years ago and they had started to build on it. Everything on it, as far as the motor, completely rebuilt, top end, bottom end. All of it had been gone through. They painted the frame, did everything like that. And his son shot up to linebacker size overnight. Now his son came, I linked with his son right after I had bought the bike or whatever. And he had brought me the bars and whatnot. When I tell you this mug is a big 6'5" linebacker in the air, about 340 pounds, it don't make no sense. He said this man like literally shot up overnight. So that's why he took a pause on the RM and didn't want to continue working on it and just left it in boxes as is. So I asked him, I was like, well, how much you want for it? He said 200, because he's trying to get it gone right now. His wife want to sell everything at the garage. She's trying to make a little office space for her and her work. I don't know what it was she was getting into, but something to where she wanted her own private spot in the garage was gonna be it, so everything in the garage was gone. I ain't got nothing like $80 on me right now, at least till like the next 2 days. He said, well, how about this? I told him I had 80 on me for like the next 2 days until I got paid. The man said, you know what? I'm not about to send you home broke. Give me $75 and you can load this crap into your car right now. I took my wallet out my pocket, gave the man my wallet, and immediately started putting the frame, the boxes, and everything into the Roadmaster. I took about 2-3 days studying forums, looking at a lot of different diagrams and things, and the entire bike was there in the box. The whole bike was there in the box except for the front brake, the front brake master, and that's it. That's all I've added onto the bike was the front brake master. It's gonna need grips, of course, and I'm gonna have to go and basically put a plastic kit on it. They done this spray paint with it, and I ain't with that. I want to get this bike cleaned up. Another thing it's gonna need as well, which I know they probably didn't get to, is brake pads. I'm gonna have to slap some front brake pads on it. Definitely gonna have to put some rears on it. Like, I'm gonna learn how to wheelie the thing. I done put it around a little bit in the yard on it, but it's definitely gonna need tires as well. Like, both of the tires are shot, so I can't even move the bike. I would, you know, give y'all a ride and view or something of it, but as you can see, he got pissed. He just, yeah. Rear tire is cut, front tire is completely flat. I don't even have a rim lock for bead lock for the rear, so little small eye and ends to make this a 100% complete bike. And so I guess after all of that, the main question is, for $75 and a bike that you bought in 3 boxes of parts and the frame is, do it run? You paid $75 and you bought this bike. Do it run? Well, to answer that question, we're gonna see right here on the first kick. Man, I ain't even got the damn choke up. The bike runs. The bike run and idle. This is gonna be a fun little toy for the channel. All right, y'all, that's gonna wrap up today's video. As I said, look, little blessing I caught, basically. A $75 bike in a box that ran. And hey, the man originally wanted $200 and all I had was $80. He was willing to give me $5 just to get home with and get rid of something for his wife. That, man, that's a, I don't even know what to say, man. It's really a blessing. I couldn't ask for it. I ain't gonna say a better time, but it's like I had been looking at possibly getting a dirt bike, because y'all know I've been on a scooter for about 2 years now, doing wheelies, tricks, trying to progress, but at the same time, basic scooter issues, having that bike hold me back, dealing with brakes and things like that. It's not meant for the tricks in which I was trying to do and maintain, especially the cheap Chinese scooters. Now that I got the little RM though, I'm gonna actually be able to practice doing some full live wheelies, some full live riding. And actually more on my riding, I want to be more stunt lot oriented. I want to work more on drop back and slow wheelies versus out here speed wheelie, ripping and running the streets. Like, I want control over my bike versus anything. I'd rather have control versus knowing that I'm out here hitting a power wheelie at damn near 50, 60, 70, 80 miles an hour and one wrong move and I'm on my ass. Not about to happen. So yeah, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bells. This channel is growing, bro. Drop Loads Motorsports is really growing. I need y'all to continue to help me grow. I ain't gonna have you hitting that button for no reason. This little RM, I'm about to get down on it. I'm about to get down. When these parts come in the mail, these tires, I already got the tubes, other little things put in. Like, I'm about to get down. It's about to be a full wheelie. I ain't gonna say tutorial because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But it's gonna be a full wheelie journey. Like, y'all gonna watch me go from this scooter shit that I've been doing and hop on a dirt bike and really see what it's about. So make sure y'all subscribe. Follow along with this wheelie journey for real. Any tips, any try this, try that. If you hear something in the bike that don't sound right, and as I say, I'm new to this, I ain't gonna get mad you point it out. Point that shit out. Don't leave me hanging. As I say, it's a $75 bike. I'm surprised the damn thing run, but I am happy with what I got. And now that I can take, as I say, I got me a little 150 stunt scooter to run with. I also got the RM. Now I'm set as far as what I need to continue progressing. All right, so in this video right here, for like the last time before I let y'all go and it be the complete end, make sure you go hit the subscribe button, bro. Like, I'm trying to grow. Don't be playing with me and coming and watching all these videos and dropping your comments and you're not hitting the subscribe button. Subscribe and help me grow. Just a little friendly reminder, you know. I ain't gonna push you to do nothing you don't want to do, but You should, because it's about to go down. Like, it's really about to go down. I've been waiting on this moment, and it's about to go down. These parts, they already on the way. Shipping. I done had a couple delivered today that I'm about to go install. Like, boy, it's about to go down. Hit the subscribe button. See y'all in the next video, which is coming real soon.